candidate Samuel Mushina and the party. The will of Nyandarua members of UDA was, and also thank the other contestants, the opponents to Honorable Mushina, for taking that dignified step to support Honorable Mushina. We have 3 messages. The first one is about our candidates. By nominating Samuel Mushina, the people of Ol Kalou have demonstrated that they wanted a leader who is close to them, who understands the issues of Ol Kalou. And Honorable Mushina, having been working closely with the late David Kiaraho, may the Lord rest his soul in eternal peace, he is aware and is very much alive to all the issues of Ol Kalou. I think this is a very big statement for those people who think that this election is going to be about sloganeering. And that is the campaign we are going to lead. The second one, my second message is and I know a lot of people would say, let me assure them, so be it. Why? Because we don't have the same exam as the other parties. And I'm sure that the most enlightened people it's what's the way forward. This election is going to take us to almost 1 year before the next general election. See, but tukimaliza hii uchaguzi, viatu zetu the agenda is known, our candidate is known, the plan is known, we are ready. Where are you? Bring it on. Thank you very much.
As we sat here, more candidates who participated, aspirants who participated